When we're looking at a full arch solution and we're looking to completely replace our smile, there's a few different options we have, and sometimes it can be overwhelming with all the different options that there are. And so to simply break it down, we have the traditional dentures, we have overdentures, which essentially snap into dental implants, and then we have the All-On-4, which screws in and is a fixed option. The traditional dentures, you think of George Washington, you think of just the old school, they've been around forever, don't necessarily work very well at all. The overdenture, significantly better. They look great. We're talking 5 to 6 times stronger than a traditional denture, and they snap into place. And so it works way better. And then the All-On-4, even more so, we're looking 8 to 9 times stronger and the closest to the most natural feel because you can't take them out. They're fixed in, so it feels as natural as possible. So the material difference between those three changes quite a bit as well. The traditional denture is made out of an acrylic, which can break quite a bit easier and isn't designed to chew really well. The overdenture, on the other hand, is a much higher end acrylic, but then it's metal reinforced, so it's so much stronger. Otherwise, with implant support, it would just break and crack. Now with the All-On-4, we're looking at a zirconia strength. It's as strong as you'd ever need it to be to chew what you want to chew, and you're able to do anything with that, and so that being the best material. Dentures, after wearing them for years and years, after that constant chewing and chewing, just continues to wear down the facial bone, which changes the facial structure and the entire outlook of a patient's face, and frankly, ages them quite a bit. The overdenture and the All-On-4, both using implants, helps to preserve the bone, keep it in place, to maintain that facial structure so that we don't age any faster than we are. Because we're able to plan the smile from the beginning and we can plan the surgery accordingly, we get a much more successful outcome. Another advantage of doing everything with the same provider is that there's a financial benefit to it, so that we're able to do everything from start to finish. We're able to package that deal together so that we can pass those savings on to you. There really are so many different options that it can be overwhelming, and so we'd invite you to come in to sit down for a free consultation and just see what treatment option would be best for you. So just reach out and give our team a call and we'll get you in as soon as possible.